Welcome back to Spooktacular. Today we are going to be doing Freddy. I'm going to be making my own scar paste. I'm just using some flour and Vaseline. You want to use the same amount and then mix it together. If it's too sticky, mix in some more flour and it should work out good. Now I'm just going to go in with an eyeshadow and make a bunch of circles and C's and U's all over my face. I'm just doing this to kind of have a guide of where I want to put all of the burn marks on my face. I am not doing the same marking that Freddy has. I'm just kind of doing them wherever I want to put them. The one thing that I wish I would have did differently is I wish that I would have made these marks a lot bigger and did less of them. I made them a lot smaller and I feel like it still looked like Freddy, but I think it would look a lot better if it was a lot bigger. So you learn as you go. Now I'm just going to take that scar paste that I made and roll it up and start placing it on my face. You guys, my nails are so overgrown that they are super long now and it's so hard for me to do anything. So I am struggling right now trying to put this paste on my face. And yeah, if I had shorter nails, I know that this wouldn't have been that hard. But what I'm doing is I'm just putting the paste on my face and then I'm smoothing out the edges. You see me here trying to roll it out, and a lot of it was too sticky, so I had to add a lot more flour to the mixture. But once you get the right consistency, it's so much easier to work with. If you guys are allergic to any like latex, or if your skin is just really sensitive to stuff, I would try this because it's only flour and Vaseline. It did not irritate my skin at all and it was super easy to take off. You guys will see that later on. So right now what I decided to do, since I was struggling, was I just started to make little balls and apply that to my face, and that worked a lot easier than making them C's and U's all over my face. So I just would put the ball on and then just smooth out the sides, and it worked really good. And then you will see in a little bit here, well right now, you're gonna see that I just go in and use the end of a makeup brush to hollow out the insides. If I would have known this trick beforehand, that's how I would have did my entire face, but I was learning as I go. I did get this idea from a girl on TikTok. I will try and link her TikTok video down below so you guys can go watch her and see how she did it. She did use actual scar paste, whatever it is. She used the actual stuff, but I just wanted to make my own. So now I'm just taking a beauty sponge and some foundation, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. At this point, you guys can see that my ADD is kicking in. I'm all over the place. When I'm doing my foundation, I will do my forehead, then one cheek, then the other cheek. But here, I am just moving all over my face. I don't stay in one place for long. I was having problems with a couple of the markings trying to come off when I was applying the foundation, and it was because I didn't have the edges pressed down enough, so it was trying to come back up. But most of them stayed good. Like, I didn't have any problems with it. So at this point, oh, and you want to make sure you bring the foundation down on your neck. You can do the burn marks on your neck too, but I decided not to because I just didn't feel like it. I started using the end of a makeup brush to apply the paste and blend it and smooth it out, and that worked really good. So right now I'm just taking it's like a red mixed with a little bit of black face paint, and I'm just putting that in the middle of all of the markings, or in the, yeah, like in the middle of all of the markings. At this point, I started to see Freddy come alive, and I was getting excited. It took a while for me to, I almost quit doing the video because I'm like, you know what, I just, this isn't working. But at this point, I'm like, okay, Freddy's coming alive. This isn't a really like in-depth, really like detailed Freddy look. I was just trying to play around and see what I could create. So at this point, I was following a different TikToker and how she was making these markings, but she was just using paint. So I wanted to fill in some of the areas, so I just created a couple of them using face paint. So if you don't want to use the scar paint, you can definitely just use face paint and eyeshadows. I'm using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going in with a red shade, and I'm just trying to fill it in and blend out the edges a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with a black face paint and put that in the outer areas of all of the burn marks. Now, I did not want to do like a glam Freddy look. I was just trying to do a more creepier one. So I'm just using a red eyeshadow from the Blood Sugar palette, and I'm just kind of placing that on my eye. I am being very sloppy, as you can tell. And then I go in, well, right now I'm just blending out my underneath my eyes, and then I go in with a black shadow and I put that in my crease, and then Freddy is done. That is all I did. I really do like the way that it turned out. There was definitely some things that I would do differently. I did not fill in my eyebrows, and I did not do anything to my lips. I guess I should have, but yeah, this is the look. And next you guys will see me removing all of this product. I wanted to keep this in because look how easy it was. My camera was actually filming when I was removing this, and I just kept it in. But yeah, it was really simple to remove all of this product off my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned because right now you guys are going to see the giveaway that I am doing. Hello everyone, I hope everyone's having a great day. I told you guys earlier that I was gonna do a giveaway. So here's the giveaway. I'm excited about this collection. I was gonna buy it for myself, but then I decided to do a giveaway so I can give it back to you guys. So let me show you guys what you will win in this giveaway. This is by the brand Makeup Revolution, and this is their Beetlejuice collection. I should have did a Beetlejuice look. What was I thinking? Instead I did Freddy. So the first thing you're going to get is this eyeshadow palette. I did not open it up, so I'm not sure what it looks like. Well, actually right here is the shades. So you get a bunch of colorful shades in this palette. There's 16 shades in this palette. So you will win that. I'm trying to find a clean place to put all these things because it's a mess in here right now. The next thing you're going to win is this, what is it? It's a felt tip liner. And I believe this is in the black shade. It has a black little spider of some sort. The next thing you're gonna win is the green mascara, I believe it is. It is the green formula. It's for your lashes, brows, and hairline. It looks like this, so you will win this too. And you will win the Here Lies Beetlejuice lipstick, and this is in like a pinky nude shade. You're going to win this 5-piece brush set. You're going to get this set of eyelashes, and I feel like this is a very wearable set for like the everyday look. You're going to get this, it's a white base, and I don't know what that means. It says it's a pressed powder, but a white base, so I mean, it's probably gonna be white powder, but I thought it was cool. And then you're going to get the makeup sponge. How cute is that? I love it. It's green. It says wait, hold on, what does it say? Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. It's just kind of crammed together, but Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. And then you're also going to win, this was from the Beetlejuice collection too, but it just didn't have the same packaging. But this is this is all highlighters. So you're gonna get 3 different highlighters. And then you're also going to get another another lipstick. This one says My Whole Life is a Dark Room. I think it's like a dark red shade right here. And that is everything that you're going to win in this giveaway. All you have to do to be entered into the giveaway is be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. And I will be picking a winner 1 week from when this video goes live. So I will leave that in the description bar so you guys can see all the rules, when it ends, all of that good stuff. I hope whoever gets this collection loves it and gets a lot of use out of it. I think it'll be a lot of fun for everyday use and for Halloween looks. This probably won't get to you in time for Halloween. I know it won't, but regardless, I still wanted to do the giveaway. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!